Okay, you don't need a mat for this one. Just find any open space. Make sure there's some space all around you and stand up tall, mountain pose. So your feet are hip width distance apart, pressing into all the corners of your feet. Feel your quads engage, your belly is strong. Face your palms forward, shoulders soften. Close your eyes and just start to calm your breathing. Inhale, exhale through your nose. See if you can take a deeper inhale and a longer exhale. Notice how you already start to feel calmer. Then on your next inhale, sweep your hands over your head, palms touch. And as you exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. We'll do that a few times. So inhale, stretch, reach it up. Exhale, hands to heart. Again, inhale, lift and extend, palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, sweep it up. This time, grab onto a wrist and pull it to the opposite side of your body, big stretch. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, pull the wrist to the other side of the body. Inhale, lift. On your exhale, cactus your arms now. Lift up through your heart. Look up slightly. Smile. Keep breathing. Good. Sweep your hands up. On your exhale, bring your hands back to your heart center. Bend at your knees a lot and come to a forward fold. Let the top of your head hang down towards the mat. And then lift to a halfway lift. Hands come to your thighs, long back. And then exhale, crouch and curl. Bend at your knees. Draw your forehead to your knees. We'll hold it here for just a few breaths. You can wrap your hands around your shins if you want to practice the balance. You don't have to. It's just something fun to try. Keep breathing up and down your spine. And then on your next inhale, we'll find a halfway lift again. So coming up, straighten your legs, slide your hands up to your thighs, long back, long spine. And then exhale, fold again. And now root to rise, press into your feet, sweep your hands to the side, bring them all the way over your head, palms touch. And then exhale, slide your right foot back, bring your back heel down. Your hips are still forward. This is warrior one. Bend that front knee over your front ankle, looking forward with confidence. And then open your arms. And now it's like you're stepping on a line. So your front foot is in line with your back foot. Good. Still bending to the front knee. Now lift your front hand up, reach for the ceiling. Should feel a good stretch in your side. And then bring your hands back to warrior two. Back hand comes around and step it forward to the top of your mat. Other side. Inhale. Exhale, left foot back. Rotate the heel down. Face your hips forward. Warrior one. Looking forward with confidence. Good. Inhale. Exhale, open up your arms to find your warrior two. Remember, front foot's in line with your back foot. And now reverse your warrior. So your back hand comes down. Lift your front hand straight up for the ceiling. My legs stay the same the whole time. You're just moving your arms, your upper body. Come back to warrior two and then windmill your hands back. Stand at the top of the mat. Roll your shoulders up to your ears, down your back. Inhale to lift your shoulders up. Exhale down your back. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And come back to mountain pose. Press into your feet. Stand up tall. Palms are forward. This is our power pose. Literally adds confidence to your body, to your day. Bring your hands to your heart center. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Open mouth, sigh it out. Namaste.